Here's what we're starting this project with. A simple drawing of a Christmas elf and a piece of wood about 9 times 5 centimeters. The first step of the process is very simple. Just slim down 2 of the opposing corners like this. After that, sketch a simple curved line like this to mark the edge of the hat. Then we can slim down the hat from the front too, with a few sweeping cuts and rough cuts. Next, we'll define the nose a little. This is basically just a sphere, so we can start with a little rounding. The edges can be made with stop cuts like these. This is where the beard is going to be. Now that we have the nose in place, we can carve off the sharp edge on the front of the beard and make it flatter. With a few lines sketched on the wood, it's also easy to define the basic dimensions of the elf a little better. This way, it is then easy to more confidently remove bigger chips. Next, we'll carve the basic shape of the hat. This is one of the easiest parts of the project because the hat is just a simple cone with a little bit of curvature. Rough cuts will take you a long way, but smaller, more detailed cuts are easier to make with these push cuts where the thumb of your non-dominant hand provides support. From this, we can now easily see how much wood we need to remove from the back and slim it down. Now it's time to reveal the shoulders a little like this. Then we can use that shoulder curve we created to mark the spot where the edge of the beard begins and sketch the beard onto the wood. By also sketching a little bit of the legs at this point, we can make sure that we still have enough space for them after we carve the beard. The edge of the beard is revealed with stop cuts. After that, we can sketch the edge of the hat that runs over the same corner where the edge of the beard meets the shoulder. Then we can make that edge just a little bit rounder and carve the same kind of edge above it, again with stop cuts. Now that we have all the different parts in place, this is a good opportunity to refine the shape of the overall hat if necessary. The upper border between the beard and the cheeks can be created with these V-cuts. Next, we'll make the arms. A simple sketch like this is useful so that you don't have to blindly commit to the proportions. The shape of the arms before rounding them is also made with stop cuts. Here I'm just rounding the sharp edges the stop cuts naturally create, not only on the arms but also on the torso. After we have the basic shape, we need to carve a curve like this so that the figure won't look so blocky. Then it's time for the feet. With a few stop cuts and a little sketching like this, we can get a better idea of where the feet should be. Right here we can see that as they are, the feet are going to be too much forward, but with the help of this sketch, we can place them directly beneath the center of mass. The feet can be separated from each other with these V-cuts. V-cuts are also used in separating the shoes from the legs. Now, most of what remains can be carved with the same techniques that we've already used multiple times in this tutorial. Stop cuts are used for the edge of the sweater and its sleeves. Then it's just about rounding and cleaning up some unwanted knife marks. One final detail, the mouth, is easy to make just by pressing the tip of the blade into the wood like this. You can also shape up the beard a little bit to create a slight distinction between the mustache and the rest of the beard.